Want to create high-quality content without showing your face or learning complicated editing? In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that can help you design, script, edit, and publish videos like a pro, using just your phone or laptop. Let's get started. First on the list is ChatGPT, an AI tool that writes scripts, video ideas, titles, descriptions, and even entire blog posts for you. Just type your topic, and ChatGPT generates content in seconds. Perfect for faceless YouTubers, digital marketers, and creators who want to save time. You can access it free at chat.openai.com. Next is Pictory.ai, an AI tool that turns your script into a full video. Paste your text, and it automatically adds scenes, stock footage, voiceover, and subtitles. No editing skills needed. It's great for YouTube shorts, explainer videos, or tutorials. Try it at Pictory.ai. If you need to design YouTube thumbnails, logos, or social media posts, try Canva Magic Studio. Its AI features let you type a prompt or upload a photo, and it generates stunning designs instantly. Use Magic Design to save hours on creative work. Available at canva.com or in the Canva app. Want to edit videos from your phone? CapCut is the best free editor with built-in AI tools. You can add auto captions, text-to-speech, AI voiceovers, transitions, and effects, all in just a few taps. It's perfect for shorts, reels, and TikToks. Free to download on both Android and iOS. InVideo takes it a step further. Paste a script or blog post, and InVideo will generate a full video using stock clips, music, text, and AI voiceover. It's beginner-friendly and works well for YouTube, Instagram, or even online courses. Visit InVideo.io to try it free. All 5 tools are beginner-friendly, powerful, free to start. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just pick a tool and start creating. Which of these AI tools will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to AI ToolBox for more cool tools, tutorials,